EOS, the coin of the EOS blockchain, is recuperating after sharp falls all through 2022. After the parent organization left from the blockchain, the EOS People Group is currently getting ready for a hard fork to its new Gazelle convention. Starting around 8th of September, this has energized positive EOS cost activity with the cryptographic money up 32% throughout the course of recent days. This video covers a major and specialized examination, as well as a survey of the task's most recent turns of events, to assist you with determining a conceivable EOS crypto cost forecast. What is the EOS coin? EOS is a decentralized application, DApp, stage sent off by blockchain organization Block.one. It permits the improvement of decentralized applications that are secure, open, and versatile. EOS claims that its quick exchange rates and sub-second block time dormancy engage developers to handle exchanges at a less expensive expense. Moreover, the EOS network controls the EOS public organization, a designated verification of stake-based framework. EOS permits people and associations to create and utilize a different scope of decentralized applications. While EOS is a basic part of the EOS public organization's administration, it isn't unified. All things being equal, it is overseen by a cooperative organization of token holders. The EOS coin is the organization's local token. Engineers should claim EOS tokens to get to arrange assets and make and work dApps. Token holders who run no applications can lease their data transfer capacity and acquire marking rewards. EOS People Group vs Block.one, the fight to control EOS. The split of the EOS People Group away from Block.one, the association that fostered the undertaking, over the local area vote choice to stop installments, affects the EOS coin cost. Inconvenience began when the EOS organization establishment, ENF, the rebels, guaranteed Block.one was done acting in the organization's well-being. Then the main 25 EOS block makers chose for quit giving $67 million, around $214 million, £157 million, EOS vesting tokens booked to be opened and circulated to Block.one over the course of the following 7 or so years. Yves Laros, who heads up the ENF, said, "Throughout the span of the last year, we have seen a critical decrease in the rate and nature of code creation being yielded for EOS by Block.one. Things came to the bubble when in November Block.one offered 45 million tokens to subsidize a buy, yet the ENF contended that the vesting tokens legitimately and illegitimately had a place with the organization. An effort to find an arrangement bombed, which prompted the block proprietors' vote." Laros said, "There was no seizure, no tokens in the Block.one account were taken, the record was not changed, keys were not adjusted. The organization is done paying Block.one from the EOS.stake account, that is all." On 19th of December it turned out to be clear an arrangement host had been arrived at between the two gatherings, with Laros tweeting that the break among Block.one and the organization was spotless. That's what he added: "The EOS People Group doesn't possess its own codebase repo, nor does it own the IP of its own item base. Those are held in private and public elements that have their own separate investors. A rebrand is moderately basic and a way to begin new." In a later tweet he added, "The EOS People Group currently sits just like own item lead." The improvement was distinctly watched by the crypto local area, as it showed the primary genuine trial of what a decentralized local area could do when it utilizes its muscles. On 17th of February the EOS organization establishment reported it was thinking about lawful activity against its parent Block.one, asserting that it broke guarantees to put resources into the organization and its inability to finish impacted network members. Albeit the specific worth of the case presently can't seem to be chosen, the blockchain convention raised $4.1 billion from network members, so assuming any activity goes on, the inevitable sum is probably going to be huge. The declaration was made by Yves Laros, the chief of the establishment, to tell the EOS People Group we know about their interests. Ongoing turns of events. While there is still vulnerability about the expected legitimate activity from EOS People Group, Block.one has one more claim to battle with. A legal claim has been recorded against the parent organization for the EOS starting coin send-off, ICO. As of late, On August 17, 2022, the government court dismissed Block.one's $27.5 million settlement offer. In the meantime, the EOS People Group keeps on driving away from its disturbed beginnings. Laros reported in August that it was rebranding the EOSIO convention to Impala. A hard fork is then expected to occur on the EOSIO blockchain on 21st of September, when the convention will be formally exchanged over to Impala. EOS/USD cost investigation. In view of the earliest accessible cost diagram information from CoinMarketCap, EOS exchanged a negative market in 2017 yet picked up speed in the last a long time of the year. Its cost tumbled from $4.08 on 3rd of July to $1.30 on 15th of July. The cost additionally fallen to 53 cents on 28th of October. A solid bull rally pushed the EOS token cost to $12.38 by 19th of December, an ascent of 2,235% from October's base in under 2 months. The costs lined at $7.84 on 22nd of December. It finished somewhat higher at $8.76 starting around December 31, 2017. EOS cost proceeded with its bullish activity in 2018 and came to $16.23 on January 13, 2018. Nonetheless, bears in the long run acquired control, and the value imploded to $4.65 on 18 walk. A solid leg of bull run endured among spring and April, and the EOS Coins team arrived at the untouched high of $22.89 on 29th of April. In the wake of making the top, EOS value proceeded to fall and came to $4.63 on 15th of August. The cost additionally imploded to $1.74 on 7th of December, a drop of over 92% from the untouched high. It shut the year at $2.56 starting around December 31, 2018. EOS token exchanged a somewhat bullish market in 2019, and cost came to $8.51 on 31st of May. Nonetheless, the value proceeded to fall and lined to $2.20 on 17th of December. It shut the year at $2.58 starting around December 31, 2019, EOS coin diagram showed. Essentially, 2020 didn't end up being a surprising year for the EOS token, and cost activity turns negative after it made a top of $5.36 on 14th of February. The cost lined at $1.84 on 12 walk. It picked up little speed and reached $3.87 on 16th of August. It shut the year at $2.59 starting around December 31, 2020. While searching for EOS expect